Don't move.
Make the snowman on the porch.
We should.
Not right now. Let it.
Why?
Let it build up some more.
But what if it stops and then it's too late? It starts to melt.
It's not gonna stop. I feel like I'm like up north somewhere.
Are you gathering snow for a snowman?
Yeah.
Gathering something.
You know, when it used to snow in Texas when we lived there, my mom would not let anyone walk in the front yard because she liked it to be perfectly flat in the front yard. That is so cool.
North somewhere.
What?
Where you are? Yeah, cause I do. I feel like I'm like up north. Cause it don't never snow here.
It's cold. God, dog is cold.
I'm freezing right
Hey,
now.
dear, look.
Look at the chill bummer. Look at the chills on my legs. Look at the chill bummer.
Dang.
That's not. That went up my shirt, man. That's not cool.
Got me too.
All right. Ooh.